Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your TikTok account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy. You should see Account at the top, so you just want to tap on that. And then at the bottom it should say Deactivate or Delete Account, so you want to tap on that. Once you're on here, it'll just let you know no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it. Reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. So if you're happy with that, all you need to do is click on Deactivate Account. Obviously there's some more information you can read through there if you want to do that. Then just click on Deactivate at the bottom. Then it may ask for a PIN code to enter. Then just click on Deactivate Account. And then if you're happy with all that, just click on Deactivate. And that will deactivate your account for you. Thanks for watching.